Alright folks, dual port mini split install. Gonna be dual port. Got 2 liquids, 2 suction line, 1 bedroom. I have nut on this bedroom. Already got our electrical drip. So what it gonna look on the inside. Vacuum inverter. Wall mount. £500 load, rector seal. R32. Steel piece. Click on the link in the description below. Get you one of those VP87. All right, here go an air handler. Alright, so we're gonna have 1 air handler on this wall, dead center. I think it need to be a 1 foot 3 inches off the ceiling. That was about the ceiling, so I don't think it really matters. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Basta. Magnolia boy. All right, we're gonna have to run to Hockley. Put that lady address in, Maria. Let's see how far it is from here. There we go. Shouldn't be too far.
23.
23 minutes. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get ready to head that way then, and then we'll wait on her. All right.
Just take a picture of this one.
Oh, all right. Let's just unload the truck so they'll have everything. Line set cover. Line set cover gonna match the gutters. All right. Got our copper. This should be it. Yeah, this should be good on the 90. You say you got some anchors. All right.
También lo del drip. Sí, traemos nosotros. No, sí, ahí traemos.
Good.
Yes.
All right, got the motor. Almost forgot the most important thing, folks. Gotta have a wire.
Show me all the time.
Oh yeah, he know.
Yeah.
All right, y'all looking good. Drain line. That leak check. Yeah, that's good right there too. I'm glad it's on the outside. So if we ever have problems with it, we can get to it right there. 342.
¿Y bájalo? Sí. ¿Está bajando? Ya.
All right. Looking good. Flush. flush. Yeah, gonna be blowing hotel room cold up in here. Y'all know that hotel cold. Yeah, that vacation cold. All right.
¿Lo va a poner en la pared o solo se lo tengo?
95 micron.
No, que no sé si quieren ponerlo ahí. Ya. Ya le puso los... ¿Seguro? Oh, you got
Right for. All right, see we cool. Yeah. We blowing snowball. All right. So we're blowing snowballs up in here, folks. Put that fan away. All right, folks, you gotta invest. Invest in your cooling.
Sí, ¿no?
¿De cuál checo es? No te entiendo. Ah, verga, no lo sabes.
That thing quiet too.
Date al 32 de su troca.
We'll run about 20 minutes. Yeah, because it's going up. It's hard to tell on them inverter units though. See it going up now. The heat load. Yeah, so I'm gonna be blowing snowball.
Let's go. Yeah, but we need a little.
Need to run for a while though. All right, 95 degrees outside, but hey, blowing snowballs inside. Look at that. All right, this is system number 2. We got a blizzard up in here, folks.